Hello everyone. Today we are going to celebrate 7th International Yoga Day. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental and spiritual practice that originated in our country. The word yoga derives from the Sanskrit which means join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Yoga asanas make the body strong and flexible. The practice of pranayama regulates the purification of the internal system and the organs. The energy that is generated in the body through physical practices of asanas is then channeled into meditation or dhyan for stability, peace and calm. The idea of the International Day of Yoga was first proposed by Narendra Modi during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. The first International Day of Yoga was observed around the world on 1st June 2015. Since then, it is celebrated annually every year. The day aims to raise awareness about the benefits of practicing yoga around the world. The day 21st June is selected as it is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere and shares a special significance in many parts of the world. COVID-19 has put enormous pressure on people's physical and mental well-being. Yoga can be a powerful tool to deal with the lockdowns, uncertainty and isolation. During the lockdown and in its aftermath, an increasing number of practitioners have turned to online yoga classes to regain balance and strength. Let's start Surya Namaskar. Exhale, join your palms together. Inhale, raising your hands up, stretch the back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back, right knee on the floor. Take your left leg back, coming into plank. Exhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, raise hands up, stretch the back. Exhale, palms to join together. One more time for the same step. Vrikshasana, bring the right foot against the left thigh and in front of you in Namaskara position. And stretch your arm towards the ceiling. Holding the stomach, stay calm Maintain balance. Slowly bring down your hands in front of your chest and ease right leg down. Repeat the same on the other sides, breathing normally. Keep your eyes open. Focus in front of you. To maintain balance, breathe normally with your eyes open. Slowly brings your arms down and relax. Hasta Padasana. Stand properly. Inhale. Raise the arms up. Exhale. Fold forward. Move slowly and with control. Place the hands beside the feet. Relax the back of the neck. Try to bring the forehead to knee. Breathe easily and naturally. Exhale. Walk your hands forward. Inhale. Come up. Exhale. Bring the arms down. Relax. Repeat the same step once again. Trikonasana. Take medium stance. Inhale. Stretch your arms at shoulder level. Rotate your foot 90-degree angle. Exhale. Place your right hand on your right shin bone. Reach the left arm towards the ceiling. Engage at the palm. Inhale. Bend the right knee, come back. Repeat other side. Exhale. Bend to the left, taking care now to bring the body forward. Navel pull in, core engaged. Keep taking long breaths. Feel the stretch on the side of the trunk. Inhale. Bend the left knee and come back. Relax. Virabhadrasana. Just stand too wide. Turn the right foot right side 90 degree. Inhale. Join the palms over the head. Bend your right knee directly above the right ankle. Reach your arms back slightly and expand your chest to come into the gentle back bend. Take your tailbone and breathe within exhalation. Come up. Switch to the other side. Continue ground your feet. Keep your shoulder, chest facing forward and don't allow front knee to pass the ankle. Take 3 breaths. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bring the arms down. Relax. Vajrasana. Fold the both legs, keeping your hips on the heels, toes pointing out the behind you and big toes touching each other. Sit on the pit formed by the parted heels, keeping the head, neck and spine in straight line. Palms on your thighs, hold the pose and take a long 5 deep breaths. Breathe out, relax, straight your legs. Once again repeat the same steps. Paschimottanasana. Sit up with the legs stretched out straight in front of you, keeping the spine erect and toes flexed towards you. Inhale. Rest the both arms about your head and stretched up. Exhale. Bend forward from the hips, chins moving toward the toes. Hold the right wrist in front of the feet. Place your head on your legs. Wherever there is a without forcing, place your head to the knee or shin. Long exhalation. Stretch the spine forward, reaching towards the legs with your head. Breathe, stretch the arms out in front of you. Inhale. Come up to the sitting position. Exhale. Lower the arms. Once again repeat the same steps. Dhanurasana. Lay flat on the stomach with the legs and feet together. Bend your knees and hold the ankles. Move slowly and with the control. As you inhale, arch the back, lifting the thighs, chest and head together. As you exhale, lift your gaze and kick your feet up mindfully. When your heels close to your buttocks, breathe. You are balancing on your stomach with the exhalation. Come down, lower the legs, chest and head. Relax. Repeat the same step. Silavasana. Lay down on your stomach. Place your chin to the floor. Make a fist of your hands and place it on under the stomach area. Breathing in with some movement, lift the both legs up as high as possible. Keep the knees straight, hold and keep breath. Lift your legs as much you can. Chin resting on the ground, breathing out. Bring the legs down. Take the arms out from the under the stomach and relax. Once again repeat the same steps. Shavasana, lay down on your back with both legs apart from each other to be the edge of the mat, hands apart from the body. Turn your palm to the ceiling. Let your both feet follow the opposite direction. Drop your entire body weight into the floor. Keep your long breath in and long breath out. Stay there as far as comfortable and relax. Gentle, start focusing on each part of the body. For example, ankle to the knee, to the hip, to the chest, to the shoulder, to the elbow, to the wrist, and also relax your face muscles, forehead, eyes, nose, lips, and the chin. Make sure you spend as much as time you want relaxing whole body. Whenever you recall your any body part, try to keep you focused there with long breath in and long breath out. Both the hands together and legs together. Take your right hand straight over the head on the floor. Left hand on the stomach. Bend your right knee. Gently turn to the right side and sit.